Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 1 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy. What do you see in common in these two sentences? I am at school and she's home. Yeah, they both express locations, right? I'm at school, she's home. How might you express these ideas in Chinese? Do you think it's important to be able to express locations? Yeah, because oftentimes we need to ask for directions or ask the whereabouts of something, right? Ask the whereabouts of someone, perhaps. So in this grammar video, we will look at how to tell people where something or someone is. Please turn your textbook to page 66, and let's take a look at grammar point number 1. Simply put, to express locations, we use the word 在, meaning at. For example, I'm at school. 我在学校. My friend is at school. 我朋友在学校. She's home. 她在家. Even though in English we don't say she's at home, but we still have to use the word 在 in Chinese. 她在家. We cannot simply say 她家, otherwise it would be her home, right? 她家 would mean her home. 她在家 would mean she's at home, she's home. My mom is home. 我妈妈在家. He's under the chair. 他在椅子下面. The little dog is under the chair. 小狗在椅子下面. How do you say mom is home? 妈妈在家. Perfect. How about I'm at school? 我在学校. Very good. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK1 video course. We teach you grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation with 74 videos, as well as interactive flashcards and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK1 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore yourself. All the courses have the first unit available as free preview. Once you've selected a course, just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Remember, once you purchase a course, you own it forever. No more recurring subscription fees, ever. See you in the course.